Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to today's class. We have been solving exercise 6.3 from the chapter Triangles, and in yesterday's class, I have completed till question number 8. I hope you have followed those videos and understood. Let us continue with question number 9. Question number 9 from NCERT. And the question is given like this. In the given figure, ABC and MPR. AMPR the two triangles, two right triangles actually. ABC at 90 degrees at B, 90 degrees at M. These are the two right triangles. Right angle at B and M. Prove that. Two things are asked to prove. First thing is prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Triangle AMP. This is first one asked to prove. Second one to be proved is the ratio. It is CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Remember, always in this chapter, if anywhere it is asked to prove two triangles similar, so we will be finding ratios and we will be finding some angles which are equal ratios and equal angles. But if it is asked to prove like this, that means we need to show that they are similar. If we show them that they are similar, obviously by the theorem we can write this statement. So let us focus on these two triangles first. These two triangles are having something common, that is angle A. Angle A is there in ABC and AMP. Suppose you just imagine this triangle AMP just flipped upside, flipped towards upside. That means when it is AMP triangle is flipped up, what happens? M comes here, P goes there, but A remains there. That means for both the triangles, A is common. So we will write here answer like this. In triangle ABC and AMP, we have angle A is equal to angle A. In the bracket we will write common. This is a common angle. And then we have angle ABC, which is 90 degrees. Angle ABC is 90 degrees, and then AMP, triangle AMP, angle at B and P, they are 90 degrees each. Okay, so with this, what we can say? With this we can say that by by double A criterion, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. So this is the first part of the question. If two triangles are having two equal angles, then they are similar. So first part of the question is over. Now second part, CA by, I'll just draw angles separately, like triangles like this for you. This is ABC, and when this AMP triangle is flipped up, direction change, that also look like this. Okay, AMP. Now these two triangles are similar. If these two are similar, now what we can write? AB, or you can say this, take this one, CA by PA ratio. If they are similar, their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. So these are the corresponding sides, PA and CA, CB and PM. So we will write it like this. As proved above, this is second part. As proved above, AC or CA by PA, which are corresponding sides, is equal to BC by MP, BC by MP. That's it. इसके लिए हमने ऑलरेडी ये स्टेटमेंट ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन में फर्स्ट पार्ट में प्रूफ कर दिया था, सो वी डोंट हैव टू प्रूव इट अगेन विद दैट, लाइक इन द कॉन्ग्रुएंसी बाई CT करके हम जो लिखते थे वैसे यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी एक बार प्रूफ कर दिया सिमिलर करके, तो उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स के रेशियो सेम होगा, इक्वल होगा, करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स भी इक्वल होगा. सो व्हाट आर द रिमेनिंग करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स? BA ऑलरेडी कॉमन एंगल, सो C विल बी इक्वल टू P, B विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वल टू M. ये हमें प्रूफ नहीं करना है, बट they will be equal. So this is question number 9. Moving to the next question number 10 from NCERT. CD and GH, C and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF, such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and EFG. सबसे पहले उसने क्वेश्चन तो पूरा उल्टा लिखा है जैसा लग रहा है. देर आर टू ट्राइंगल्स ABC एंड FEG. दीज आर द टू ट्राइंगल्स, ट्राइंगल ABC and triangle FEG. These are the two triangles. In these two triangles, bisectors are drawn from C. What are those bisectors? CD and GH. So bisectors and ACB और FGE को, so bisectors कैसे ड्रा करते हैं हम? From C, these are the bisectors. So when this is bisector, means these two angles are equal, and from G also an angle is, this angle is also bisected. So these two angles are also equal. And this is CD and this is GH. Right. So if ABC and these two triangles are, ABC is similar to FGE or FEG, ABC, FEG, they both are similar. ये दोनों similar हैं. So if they are similar, angle A will be equal to angle F, angle B will be equal to angle C, because they are similar, and this whole angle C will be equal to angles G will be equal to C, because they are similar. AB by FE ratio will be equal to BC by EG ratio and AC by FG ratio, because they both are similar. अब यहाँ पे प्रूफ क्या करना है? What is asked to prove? First one is CD by, ये प्रूफ करना है, प्रूफ CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. सिमिलर करके जो ऑलरेडी दिया है दैट इज ABC FEG, बिगर ट्राइंगल. अब यहाँ पे रेशियो जो प्रूफ करने के लिए दिया है दैट इज CD by GH, CD by GH and AC by FG. That means this is the triangle asked to prove. This we need to show that this portion, this triangle, and here also same, this, इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को हमें सिमिलर करके प्रूफ करना है. इफ दे आर सिमिलर देन CD by GH, AC by FG रेशियो इक्वल होगा ही. सो ये इक्वल प्रूफ करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? कंसिडरिंग द एंगल्स विच आर सिमिलर इक्वल इन ट्राइंगल ADC triangle, FHG and FHG. In these two triangles, what are the equalities we have? Angle A, we can write it as DAC. Angle DAC is equal to HFG. Why? Because they are similar. These two triangles are similar, so corresponding angles are equal. DAC, HFG. ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल हैं. अनदर पॉइंट, सिंस C is equal to Z, since angle C is equal to angle Z, therefore their bisected parts will also be equal. their bisected parts will also be equal. So what are the bisected parts? ACD and FGH. Therefore angle ACD is equal to FGH, right? So these two are also equal. Now see, we have DAC, one part here, one angle here, and another angle is here. So in these two triangles we have two pairs of angles are equal. So again, by using double A criterion, therefore by using double A criterion, so triangle ADC is similar to triangle FHG. ये दोनों triangles similar हो गए. If they are similar, then their corresponding ratios will be equal. What are they? CD by GH, AC by FG. They are the corresponding side ratios, so they will be equal. CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. So this is the first part of the question that we are asked to prove. Now second part, what is asked to prove in second part? Second part is to prove triangle DCB and HG. In this DCB, this triangle HGE, that means this and this, these two triangles are also asked to prove that they are similar. अब यहाँ पर सिर्फ सिमिलर प्रूफ करना है. ऊपर वाले में सिमिलर प्रूफ करके रेशियो इक्वल लिखा है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ हमें ट्राइंगल्स सिमिलर प्रूफ करना है. इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को और इसको, इन दोनों HEG DB DCB HGE प्रूफ सिमिलर प्रूफ करने के लिए यहाँ पर ये जो एंगल हैं वो इक्वल हैं और एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल E है. दैट मीन्स बाय यूजिंग द डबल ए क्राइटेरियन अगेन वी कैन प्रूव राइट दैट दे आर similar. So we'll write here, in triangle DCB and triangle HGE, we have angle B is equal to E. Angle B is equal to E. This is given data. Second one is DCB. This bisected part, HGE, this bisected part, they both are also equal. Angle DCB is equal to angle HGE. Bisected angles. Already C and G equal, उसमें से bisected parts ये दोनों, so they are also bisected angles equal. So therefore by double A criterion, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. So these are the two triangles which are, this is the second part of the question asked to prove. Now third part is DCA and HGF. DCA and HGF, इन दोनों को भी हमें प्रूफ करने के लिए क्वेश्चन दिया है. ये ऑलरेडी प्रूफ किया हमने, तब जाके ही क्वेश्चन वन को प्रूफ किया था. सो DCA and HGF, they are already similar as proved in part 1. DCA or ADC, they both are same, right? DCA and HGF or ADC FHG, both triangles are already similar. You can change the any direction. So question number 3, as proved in part 1, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So that's about question number 10. of exercise 6.3. I will be explaining the next two more questions in the next video. Till then, bye bye.